Hello guys, my name is JB Dan. Today I will show you how to create a Python script, or in this case a Python file that can write a file. So basically you are in this tutorial I will teach you how to create a Python file that are able to write another file like a text file, for example. Now open up your preferred text editor. Here I'm going to use Visual Studio Code because that's the easiest one by far, and by far the most complex one. Here we're going to create a folder, tutorial. Now as you can see, create a file by clicking this file button right here. Name your Python file name it whatever you want. Here write file.py. After you name it, you give it a file extension for here .py. Now I have to give you a warning. If you are using if you are going to code in Python, make sure you already installed their environment. You can do that by going to your Google search bar, search Python, download, go to their website right here, Python, and you can go ahead and download here. If you are running on Linux, you can choose this, Mac OS this, and other. You get the idea. And as you can see here, let's start coding, shall we? Here type import OS. As you can see, we are going to import every single components. That's why I'm putting this star symbol right here, or asterisk, or whatever. From import. Now write sorry, I am not feeling well. You gotta excuse me. Oh, it turns out I made a mistake. It should be open, not wide. So as you can see here in this command right here, you type open and then give it a file name. Your file, make sure you don't put any space, or maybe you can. After that you give it an argument a. We are going to create a file, so we are going to use the a argument. And after that there we go. And now we are done. Oops, I forgot something. You gotta know, right? run your file extension. I mean, you have to put your file extension right here, and as you can see here, press this right here to run your script. Oh, we have a problem. Oh yeah, we forgot to import our module right here. I was a bit suspicious on why it didn't highlight the command. Turns out that I forgot. You need to also import IO. IO itself is basically, as far as I know, a universal switch for all operating system, or in this case only exclusive to Windows. Let me know in the comment section below on what IO really is, because as far as I know, IO itself can be used on any offline programming language like C#, C++, and Python, many more. And we are going to run this again. As you can see here, this is the result, no more error. As you can see, if we reveal this, oh yeah, alright, just for your information, you gotta manage the directory too. Get current directory. And then we run this again, and then we should see our file. There we go. As you can see here, my advice to you is to just directly run it. Don't run it from your IDE, but run it directly. And here is the result. Oh, this is a mess. I mean, yeah, it worked, but it's a mess. We're going to fix that. Echo off. Delete that file and then run it again. There we go. Here we have the result. This is a text file, and if you want to write a different file, then you can change the file extension from .txt to .bat. As you can see, that's all. But yeah, that is it for now, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.